I'm going to Kisszep Gallery behind the castle here in Budapest to hang up my prints and display my glass. Rain or shine. Hey guys, I'm here in Budapest going to Kisszep Gallery behind the famous castle. Since this is Europe, doing things a little differently. No car, no taxi, all public transportation in my own feet. So I've got my prints, my drawings, wrapped up and waterproofed from the rain, and I've got the glass on my back. So we are ready to go, rain or shine. I got the show with the help and kindness of Thomas Abel. Thank you very much, Thomas. I appreciate you and your efforts and your connectivity. This is wonderful. I met Thomas through Instagram. So through direct social media correspondences, this show is happening. The first contact with Agnes at the gallery was wonderful. She was very open to me having an exhibition and showing work there, welcomed me, invited me. It's been great. She's been wonderful, super helpful, super nice. It's great to be here in Budapest. So the process for preparing for the show was expansive. It required bringing glass here from England, a specific selection of pieces, and it also required finding the correct print lab here in Budapest, which was quite difficult. It took me time, trial and error, to find the right Photoshop. So since it's a different country, it's a different language, it's sometimes difficult to just make a phone call and get the right answers. So I have to go try out these different Photoshops until we found the right one. So first I went to a print shop, and they print larger posters and marketable material, and that's not what I need. So from the first print shop, I realized I didn't print on archival paper, and it just wasn't right, and the price was actually quite high. So from there, Birgit jumped in, saved the day, found this other print shop because she knows the right keywords to search with anywhere in the world. And so we proceeded onto this print shop. It was pouring rain. So we found ourselves in some train station. So once we got into the train station, we thought, oh great, we can escape this rain. But the roof had like millions of leaky holes in it. So anywhere you went in the train station, you were still getting rained on, which was quite an experience. So we got our train ticket. Getting the train ticket was challenging. The woman was not happy that we didn't speak Hungarian, and she didn't speak English. And she was very resilient to give us, or very resistant to give us a ticket, period. So we really had to make her sell us a train ticket.
We broke her with kindness.
Yeah, we broke her with kindness, lots of smiles. So then we made our way to the print studio, and this was our first time at this print studio. We gave them our files, we talked about what we wanted for this exhibition. So that was wonderful. They gave us so much time. The print studio was wonderful. They gave us so much time and care and fine-tuning and developing and adjusting the files in order to have them printed to the right size. Part of the process was looking at the border and cropping and figuring out how much matte and border to put on the prints. And that was a really interesting part of the process. And from there, we found out and realized they have the world's best scanner. German-made, incredible flatbed scanner. So because I just came from Thailand and have maybe 10 or 12 original drawings, we figured this is the opportunity to scan them here and now. So these prints here, the one we just had done for my exhibition, are from my Kickstarter. They are the Cambodia tree drawings from my Kickstarter. So if you guys would like one of these drawings, if you'd like to support the Kickstarter, go there now, links in the bio, and pick out whatever you'd like. You also have the option of purchasing an original of the drawings I just made in Thailand. So those are there on the Kickstarter as well. Super what? For a super awesome price. So while at the photo lab, we decided it'd be a great opportunity to have my originals from Thailand scanned on the German flatbed scanner. Being at Pigma Art Lab was an incredible experience. Thank you so much, Jolt and family, for all of the attention and care you've given me. I appreciate it so much. We're almost at the gallery. We just need to go up these stairs, and when we pop out, we will be in the midst of an old, beautiful castle. The gallery's right around the corner. Almost there. this stuff. Just working on my signature here.